The advantage of partnering with KETIV is they're not just a reseller, they're a solutions provider. The same solutions that we provide to the customer is the same way they look at us as a customer. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm the Director of Global Solutions for TOMRA Fresh Food. We supply, manufacture, develop, and design integrated packhouse solutions to our customers in the food industry. This particular problem that I'm looking for a solution is the selling process. We want to be more efficient and we want to concentrate on the customer experience. So what we decided and what KETIV decided with me was to develop these 3D systems that we would export out of our product line. And they develop intelligence where these 3D systems can, like Lego blocks, that you can connect faster than a 2D and a better visual to our customer. Having that 3D tool, the speed alone compared to the 2D was probably tenfold. It was just faster because you remove the manual efforts of doing the drawing. But the most importantly is the customer experience when we show these 3D pack houses to the customer. And to change it on the go while they're watching it was by far the most visible win that we've had. It separates us from our competitors. It improves our efficiency and speed when we're doing this quote, and it helped a lot in our sales cycle. We have won a lot of large projects because of those tools that KETIV developed for us, and I think year over year we have grown because of that, especially these corporate customers or enterprise customers, and that's what we target to. The potential of having to expand what we have established now is brighter than ever before, and I think that is why I enjoy working with KETIV, because it's really never ending. It's a continuous improvement.